I just found this guy out in the grass. It is a Cicada Nymph. I have never seen one moving around when it is in the nymph stage. I've only found the exoskeletons, like a ton of exoskeletons. But at first when I saw this guy down in the grass, I thought it was a June bug because it's a similar color. I'm sorry about the terrible lighting. I'm using my headlamp right now. I don't know what kind of cicada. It's definitely not a 17-year cicada. I'm so sorry about the lighting. This is kind of spur of the moment. But yeah, right now he or she is trying to find a place to go and molt. And those little spiky arms on the front are quite prickly. They're hurting me. Anyways, I just thought I'd show you guys that. You can see that his eyes are red. Fun fact, cicadas are related to aphids, believe it or not. Anyways, I'm going to go release this guy. So let's go film that. Oh, he's trying to climb onto my finger because he thinks it's the highest point. Whoa. Trying to film and walk at night without tripping and breaking my ankle or my face or anything. There are moths flying in my face. Why must moths be attracted to light? Why? All kinds of bugs landing on me, and there's a bug in my ear right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go release him on this oak tree. Here we go. He was climbing up a blade of grass, but I figured it would be better for him to be climbing around up here, because this oak tree is very tall. So he can, or she can, climb up as far as they want and then molt. Which I will not be filming that. I already filmed the snake shedding, so yeah. Anyways, oh yeah. And in case you're wondering how the spider that I rehabilitated is doing, I actually found her tonight while I was out here looking around. Hopefully she's still where I saw her. Yes, she is. At the moment she is hunting. But yeah, she is doing great. I'm happy I stumbled across her while I was out here. See if I can get you to where you can see the eye shine. There, you can see the eye shine. That glowingness right there. Okay guys, I thought that was going to be the end of the video, but apparently not. Because I went over by where we had some already come out. And look, there is one emerging from its exoskeleton right now. That is just so cool. So cool.